Hi everyone! Good morning! Good morning! Kamusta kayo? Happy weekend! So this is i-pick a card reading. Katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon, I will upload a pick a card reading requested by one of my subscribers in YouTube. Okay, so this is from Ma'am Maricel Soriano, if I'm not mistaken. This is your request topic. Okay, so bago ko sabihin kung ano yung topic na yon, sa harapan ninyo, you will see a two pile. Okay, so this one is pile number 1 and this one is pile number 2. Okay, so itong card na to, which is a tarot card, I will live shuffle it. Okay, live ko siyang isa-shuffle sa harapan ninyo about doon sa topic natin. Okay, and then sa baba, makikita ninyo is may corresponding oracle card. Okay, this is pile number 1, pile number 2, and yung oracle card niya. Okay, below. Okay, so ano yung topic natin for today? Topic natin is, bakit hindi sila makamove on sa'yo? Okay, so it can be a lover, okay? First, ex, okay? Ex-friend, okay? It can be a family member na hindi kayo nagkaintindihan. Bakit ba hindi sila makamove on sa'yo? Pero this reading is intended kasi talaga sa love connection, which is a past connection, an ex, okay, from the past. So, bakit hindi sila makamove on sa'yo? And alamin natin, ano bang meron? Ba't hindi sila makamove on sa'yo? Okay, so titingnan natin. So, pili na kayo ng pile. This is pile number 1, pile number 2. Meditate kayo, concentrate kung ano yung sa tingin ninyong pile na mag-resonate sa inyo. Again, this is pile number 1, pile number 2. I will give you seconds to pick your pile. Okay, and then magsisimula na tayo. Okay, so pili na kayo ng pile. 1 or 2. Okay guys, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, mag-start na ako kay pile number 1. So, igigilid lang muna natin itong pile number 2 and yung oracle niya. So, pile number 1, this is your oracle card. Igigilid ko lang dito. Mamaya natin titingnan. So, tingnan natin. Bakit hindi sila makamove on sa'yo? Bakit hindi makamove on? Itong ex na to, yung mga past friend mo, ex-friend mo, sa'yo. Ano bang meron sa'yo? File number 1. It can be positive. It can be negative. Okay. Pasensya na kayo guys kung maririnig yung sumisinghot-singhot ako kasi sinisip ko na naman ako. Naatake na naman ako ng rhinitis ko. Okay. So, start na tayo. File number 1. Bakit hindi sila makamove on sa'yo? Specifically, ex-lover, past person, ex-friend. Lower your volume, guys. Baka malakas yung feedback nung pag-shuffle ng card. Bakit hindi makamove on sa'yo? Yung mga person from the past. Ito yung may disconnection sa'yo, pile number 1. Okay. Ace of Wands. Okay. Thank you. Six of Pentacles. The Star. Oh, okay. So first, meron ako nakikita dito na maybe past persons or yung mga person na may disconnection sa'yo from the past or naiwan na ang kumbaga kinat off mo, hindi mo na kinakausap, they know na some of you, pal number one, has a new project, new job, okay? You glow up, okay? You upgrade as a person. Mhm. Maraming new opportunity sa'yo, okay, na dumadating. This is the Ace of Wands, okay. And maybe this person or these past persons are look up to you. You are their inspiration, okay? Meron ako nakikita dito na inspirasyon ka kasi nila. File number one. Mataas ang tingin nila sa'yo. Oo. They know your potential. Malaki ang potential mo sa person. Maybe you are someone who is very helpful, matulungin. Okay? Meron ako nakikita. You always give, you always share kung ano yung meron ka. So, meron ako nakikita na gano'n. Generous ka kung ano yung meron ka. Okay? Gagawin mo lahat para matulungan yung mga taong close sa'yo. Okay? And they know it. Alam na mga past lovers yon, past person, past ex-friends. Okay? Some of them is hoping, okay, wishing for a renewal of connections with you. Pile number one. Meron ako nakikita dito. They are wishing on a star, hoping that merong reconciliation, reconnection na mangyari dito. Meron ako nakikita. You could be a very healing kind of a person also. What do I mean is yung always giving advice. Ikaw yung laging natatakbuhan nila when yung alam mo yun, yung when they are down, kapag ka nahihirapan sila, nasasaktan, merong nangyari sa kanila, you are the one who give them advice, ikaw yung nagko-comfort sa kanila, ikaw yung nagbibigay ng emotional support sa kanila. Bukod sa matulungin ka na, is nagbibigay ka pa ng emotional support dito sa mga taong to. Guys, please do note na yung sinasabi kong mga taong to, it can be an ex-lover, ex-friend, okay? Or from the past na may disconnection na sa inyo. Okay. Six of Swords. Dahil itong mga taon to, alam nila kung ano yung potential mo sa person. Alam nila na malayo yung mararating mo. And may chance na makapunta ka kung saan mang lugar, na siguro makapag-abroad, okay? Some of them wants to go, alam mo yun, yung makipagbati sa inyo. Moving on the calmer waters. Some of them is gustong maging okay kayo, makipag-ayos sa inyo. Kahit not totally a lover if this is a ex-lover. Kahit friend, okay? This person wants to be or wants still be your friend, okay? Maybe you distance yourself dito sa person na to. No communication kayo. Meron ako nakikita dito. So, tingnan pa natin. You are sinusuportahan mo tong mga taong to. Or tong person na to. Financially, emotional support. Nakikita ako. Kumbaga, balance type of a person ka. Makatarungan, makatuwiran. You could be an intuitive person also. Seven of Pentacles. You could be, if you are a feminine or masculine, and this is your ex-lover, pang long-term relationship ka kasi. Yes. You're a very patient kind of a person. Matsagain. Masipag. Matyaga maghintay. Okay. Very loyal din also. Masipag magtrabaho. Meron ako nakikitang ganun, ha? Hardworking kind of a person. Oo. And maybe you're a successful person also. Kaya ka nga nakakatulong sa kanila. Some of you is successful financially. Kaya ka nakakatulong dito sa mga taong to. This person or itong mga person na to is very nostalgic when it comes to you. Lagi ka nilang inaalala, hindi ka nila nakakalimutan. File number 1. Talagang tumatak ka sa kanila. Hindi ka maalis sa isip nila. Kapag naririnig nila yung pangalan mo, kapag ikaw yung naaalala nila, ang naaalala nila is yung mga magagandang bagay na naitulong mo sa kanila. As of now, wala pa ako nakikita dito na kapag naaalala ka nila is negative yung dating. No. Yung karamihan dito na napipick up ko na energy is namimiss ka. Namimiss ka, hoping iba dito na sana may reconciliation sa'yo. Okay. They are reminiscing times na nung kayo pa or nung magkasama pa kayo or nung nasa buhay ka pa nila. Kasi you're a very kind also and a very loving person. Oo. You could be a Libra, a balanced kind of a person. Makatwiran, kumbaga, may integrity kind of a person. Kaya hindi ka makalimutan itong mga taong to, hindi maka-move on. Maybe some of you, they see you as one that got away. Okay, meron akong nakuhang ganun. Or, yung iba sa inyo nakita nila na, alam mo yun, yung parang nangihinayang sila. Kasi nag-ending na yung connection mo with them or with this person. Okay. Five of Swords. You have a conflict or disagreement with this person. Okay, or alam mo yon, nakipagkompetensya sa iyo itong mga person na to, or itong person na to, ini-stress ka nito. Some of you, may pagka-intimidating ka. May pagka-intimidating ka na kind of a person. And yung iba sa inyo, meron akong narinig ng matapang. Oo. Paano ko ba i-explain ko? For some of you, Since, meron ako nakikita kasi dito na, Queen of Swords. Okay. You could be a Queen of Swords. Or a Earth sign. Meron ako nakikita dito na you don't tolerate any BS when it comes to any relationship or on dito sa mga tao na to. Kasi nga balance ka na person. Ayaw mo ng sinungaling, ayaw mo ng hindi makatao, hindi makatwiran. Alam mo yon. And you always fight. Oo. Though you are kind, loving, emotional, matapang ka na kind of a person. You will stand your ground. You will fight back. Okay? Mm-mm. So, tingnan natin. Some of you, intimidating ka dito sa kanila. Yung iba sa inyo. Oy, Queen of Pentacles, Earth sign. Ano sabi ko? It could be an Earth sign or an air sign. Maalaga. Some of you is a Virgo. Okay. A very nurturing kind of a person. Practical also. Very good with finances, money. You are a kind of a person na yung iba sa inyo meron ako narinig na act of service. Okay, ang love language. A very caring. Oo. A good provider also. So, kapag nakarelasyon ka, hindi ka mahirap maging partner kasi though you are a feminine, para sa ibang feminine natin dito na pumili ng pile number 1, kaya mong, kaya mong pumantay sa kayang gawin ng guy or ng lalaki. Hindi ka pala asa na kind of a person. You can have your own money. You can earn your own money, buy what you want, okay? Hindi ka nagre-rely sa lalaki, okay? Kung karelasyon ka, ha? A good business woman or man also. Meron ako nakikita dito. Oy. Yung iba nga sa inyo is an earth sign, can be a Taurus also, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Oo. Very beautiful also. Malaga. A mother figure or, yun nga, a wife material. Kaya hindi ka nila makalimutan. Oo. Maybe this person has a regret. Yun nga, sabi ko nga, nagre-regret to. You are the one that got away, missed opportunity from these persons, okay? Kasi nga, you're a wife material, ay ideal partner. Kaya hindi ka makalimutan. For some of you, maybe you are the mother of this person's child. Okay, meron akong nakitang ganon. Meron akong narinig na you are the first love of some past person na nakikita ko dito. First love, first girlfriend. Oh, 9 of Swords. Yes. Oh, 9 of Swords and a 10 of Swords. This person thinks that you have a painful ending with him. Okay, or with her, if this is a feminine. Nasaktan to nung nagkahiwalay kayo, nagkaroon kayo ng disconnections. Okay, if this is an ex-lover, this person is still regretting kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyong ending sa relationship. Yes. Hindi to makatulog. Some of you, this person has an anxiety, having sleepless nights, hindi makatulog, and some of these persons are overthinking. Where are you now? Okay. Do you have a new relationship in your life right now? Okay. So, this person is nag-iisip, paano kaya kung hindi kami naghiwalay nitong person na to? Paano kaya kung kami pa din? Okay, so, they are overthinking what if. What ifs. Okay. Yes. Kung hindi kayo naghiwalay nitong person na to. Oo. This person feeling that yung nangyari sa inyo is a sugat na parang hindi nagagaling or hindi na siya makaka-move on. This person is feeling hopeless right now na hindi na siya makakahanap ng katulad mo. Yun ang iniisip itong person na to. This person isolate him or herself. Maybe this person is not dating. Okay, meron akong nakita, not dating. Kung feminine to, meron akong nakita dito, feminine and masculine. Guys, from the past. It could be this person, if this is ex-lover, if masculine and feminine. So, last two cards for tarot card natin. Thank you. Di ba? 5 of Cups, regret. Disappointment. This person feels abandoned, okay? Abandoned by you. This person is still grieving. Okay? This person still feel the loss ng relationship ninyo. Still mourning. Hindi siya kontento sa mga offer na nakukuha niya. Kasi nga, wala siyang ibang gusto kundi ikaw. This person realizes that grass is not greener on the other side. Yes, this person wants to message you, wants to send a message. Okay. Tell you the truth that he or she can't move on, okay, without you. That gusto niyang magkaroon ng reconciliation. Yes. This person wants to renew your connection. Maybe, siguro sa umpisa, is not jumping to a relationship agad sa'yo. But siguro, sisimulan itong person na to na gusto niya maging friend muna kayo ulit bago siya, alam mo yon, magtangka or magplan ulit na to win you back. Meron akong nakikitang ganon. Kasi, na-realize itong person na to na walang makaka-compare nung love, okay, or partnership na meron kayo before. Oo, kasi maybe nga, ikaw yung klase ng person, you're a wife material. Ideal girl, ideal boy. Okay? This person still want to offer you his or her cup of love. Ayaw niya ng iba. Okay? Again, meron ako narinig na ganun. Ayaw niya ng iba. It could be a Scorpio. Okay, meron ako nakita. This person realizes that you are the puzzle na magko-kompleto ulit sa kanya as a person. Oo. Nagkaroon to ng spiritual awakening na ikaw lang makapagpasaya sa kanya. Guys, pile number 1. Okay, so tingnan na natin sa yung oracle card, pile number 1. Okay. Sa iyong, unahin natin yung archetype card. Prince. Oh, very romantic. You are a romantic kind of a person. A servant. Some of you is a Virgo. Love language is act of service. Okay. Detective. You're a kind of a person na very very aware. Don't want uh, a liar. Ayaw ng sinungaling. Oo. You have a very observant kind of a person. Kaya, maybe, if you will give alam mo, kung anong paborito nitong person na to, nung kayo. Okay? Kahit, even though this is a friend. You know, kung ano yung paborito nito, kahit hindi niya sinasabi sa'yo. Kasi you are very observant kind of a person. Oo, very intuitive kind of a person. Observant ka. Kahit na hindi niya sabihin sa'yo na ito yung favorite niya, ito yung gusto niya, alam mo din kung ano yung yung bagay na iregalo dito sa person na to. Yan, may nakikita akong ganon. You're a very loving kind of a person. One of your love language is act of service. Again, uulitin ko ha. You could be a Virgo. Okay? You are very romantic also. Okay, may nakikita ko dito na you are very romantic kind of a person. Kahit sabihin natin feminine ka, pile number 1, you will always do your part, okay, to feel love. To feel, alam mo yun, yung para suyuin tong person na to. Iparamdam sa kanya na mahalaga siya, kahit na lalaki siya, na mahal mo siya, okay, by doing, susuyuin mo siya. Nilalambing mo to palagi. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, pinagluluto. Oo. Pinagluluto mo tong person na to, maybe you're a good cook. Pile number 1. Masarap pagluto. Baka sabi nga nila, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Siguro namimiss ito yung luto mo, pile number 1. Neptune, dreams. Sa papanaginipan ka nitong person na to, pile number 1. Ikaw pa rin yung gusto niya makasama, ikaw pa rin yung pinapangarap niya still. Okay? Ikaw yung huling alaala niya na palaging, alam mo yun, binabalik-balikan kasi nga, ikaw yung gusto niya makatuluyan pa rin if bibigyan ng pagkakataon. You're a very empathic kind of a person also. You're a very compassionate kind of a person. You could be a Pisces. Okay. You're a very magical kind of a person. Alam mo yung magical na person, yung parang kayang gawin lahat. Yung imposible kayang gawing possible. Parang ganon. You are kind of a person like that. Pile number 1. Ito yung tingin sa'yo nitong person na to. Kaya hindi ka niya makalimutan. Kasi feeling niya wala na siyang makikitang ganon. You are a very rare, a unicorn, okay? Kumbaga parang bibihira, yung parang like you. You are one of a kind, parang ganyan, ha? Pile number 1. Kaya nga, siguro kino-compare ka nitong person na to sa other person na nakarelasyon nyo or after your relationship with this person is kinumpared ka niya sa other pero wala siya talaga maipagkumpare kasi kumbaga wala sa kalingkingan mo yung iba. Pile number 1. Okay? You are very good in money also. Very good in money, planning, okay. Budgeting, okay. You're an ideal wife, pile number 1. Kahit ano pang sabihin ko magagandang salita, you are the ideal wife. Ideal partner. Oo. Very good in planning. Very good in money. You know how to spend your money. You're a good businesswoman and businessman. Okay. Some of you is uh, malinis sa katawan. Oo. Malinis sa katawan, mabango. Okay. You will always take care of yourself. O, some of you is a very glamorosa kind of a person. Alam mo yung may pagkasuplada. Some of you is very suplada kasi nga very beautiful person. Meron akong nakita dito. Oo. A very feminine. Feminine body kind of a person also. You take care of your health for some of you. Okay. Some of you has a long hair also. Okay. May nakikita akong long hair. A very feminine. Okay. Kind of a person. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Stop card. Detective and evidence again. Oo. A very observant kind of a person. Ano ka? Maybe ikaw lang yung nirespeto nitong person at ikaw nakapagpatino dito sa person na to. Okay, may nakuha akong ganun. Ikaw nakapagpatino dito sa person na to, pile number 1. Oo. Ikaw nakapag-stop ng mga vices niya. Mataas ang respeto nitong person na to sa'yo. Pile number 1. O, diba? Gift. You're a kind of a person, alam mo yun, a very sweet kind of a person. One of the love language is by act of service and by gift giving. You know what? Gift yung magugustuhan ng person. Kasi nga observant ka na kind of a person. You always give back, okay? Kung ano yung ginawa sa yung kabaitan, okay? Naniniwala ka sa give and take, okay? Very balanced kind of a person. No, this person is having nightmare. Oo. This person is suffering. Having nightmare nung naghiwalay kayo. Siguro, this person is nagkakaroon ng nightmare kapag natutulog about your separation or about you, pile number 1. Gain. Ay. For some of you, you are a good in business talaga eh. Ikaw yung klase ng person na magaling ka sa pera. Hindi ka nawawalan kasi ano ka eh. Ano nga bang tawag dito? Magaling kang dumiskarte. Oo. Ano ka, very reliable kind of a person. Alam niya na kapag ikaw yung naging partner niya, nakatuluyan niya, is mag-bloom kayo or mag-upgrade kayo parehas kasi hindi ka rin pala asa na kind of a person. Oo. So, last is tea leaf card. Fire. Ooh. This person still has a passionate love sa'yo, pile number 1. Or you could be a passionate lover, pile number 1. O, diba? You are a kind of a person na any problem is kaya mong marisolba. A good problem solver also because you're a very observant kind of a person. Hindi ka nagba-back down. Hindi ka mabilis sumuko na person. Maybe you could be a passionate in any aspect, in career, in love, in family, okay? Diba? You're very aware. You're very aware kind of a person. Hindi ka mapagsisinungalingan, hindi ka maluloko, kaya mataas ang respeto sa nitong person na to, pile number 1. Fire in pot torque. A very high understanding. Very understanding kind of a person also. Oh my God, pile number 1. Lahat na natin ng magagandang, alam mo yon, magagandang characteristic na nakikita ko isa sa sayo. This is very, alam mo yon, this is very sad also kasi this person regrets, okay? Kung naman yung nangyaring ending sa inyo, this person looks at you as the one that got away and pinagsisisihan itong person na to. Bakit nag-end yung connection ninyong dalawa? Diba? This person still hoping and wishing on the star, kay Lord, sa divine, kung sino man ang pinapaniwalaan ito, na sana mag-grant yung wish niya na magkaroon pa ng another chance with you. Okay? Oh, this person wants to be your husband. Gusto nitong ikaw yung maging nanay ng anak niya if you are the feminine. Kung ikaw man ay masculine, this girl or woman wants to be his a wife sa'yo. Ikaw ang gusto niya mapangasawa and maging tatay ng magiging anak niya. Pile number 1. So, bakit hindi makamove on tong person na to or itong mga person na to sa'yo? Pile number 1. Malakas sa akin nakikita ko dito na this is a lover. Okay? Kasi nga, you are the ideal wife or husband para sa kanya. The one that got away, still regretting itong person na to and wishing na magkaroon kayo ng reconnection. Okay? So, sana napakinggan nyo kung ano yung mga sinabi ko para sa'yo, pile number 1. Yun yung reason kung ba't hindi ka nila makalimutan, hindi ka niya makalimutan. Kasi nga, you're very kind, okay, maalaga na person. Okay, so, pile number 1, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to, reading na to. So, kung nag-resonate sa'yo to, and hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video, okay? Hindi ko napapatagalin, I will go to pile number 2 na agad, okay? Kasi it almost 37 minutes na magta-38 na tong reading kay pile number 1, okay? So, pile number 1, maraming salamat sa panonood. Pwede ka rin manood ng pile number 2 if you want, okay? So, go na ako kay pile number 2. Hi, pile number 2. Kung ito yung card deck na napili mo, so this is your reading. Kung bakit hindi maka-move on, itong person na to, or yung mga past person na nagkaroon ng disconnection sa'yo, either a past lover, ex-friend. Okay. So, titingnan natin. Magle-live shuffle ako and then oracle card. Okay. So, tingnan natin pile number 2. Ba't hindi ba ito makamove on sa'yo? Ano bang meron? Ba't hindi makamove on sa'yo itong person na to? So, titingnan natin. Ano bang meron kay pile number 2? Ba't hindi makamove on tong person na to? Okay, could be a past lover na ha. So, tingnan natin. Pile number 2. Bakit hindi makamove on itong past friend, past lover, past persons sa'yo? Okay. Oy. Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh, Queen of Pentacles also. Earth sign. Oops, thank you. Okay. 5 of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Uy, Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment. The Emperor. Five of Cups again. Oh my gosh. Pile number 2. Maybe this person is having a financial crisis right now. Okay. Pwedeng ikaw nakipaghiwalay dito, pile number 2. This person is struggling din. Okay. Gaano lang tayo ng Sage. Para, ano yung reading natin, guys. You could be a Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus also. Okay. You are the wish fulfillment of this person. Realizing that you are the happiness also of this person. You're a very alam mo yon, you always a positive person. Confident also. So, meron ako nakikita na confident ka din. Pile number 2. Stable. Some of you, meron ako nakita na you could be masculine ha, the one na pumili ng pile number 2 at nanonood ngayon. It could be the masculine. This person feels that you protect this past person, this ex or this ex-best friend. Okay. This person is also grieving, like pile number 1. Having a remorse or regret also. Yung iba dito, pile number 2, I see that some of you this person is being petty, okay, about your disconnection with this one. This person compare himself or herself sa'yo. Kasi you're very abundant right now. If you are a masculine, this person depend on you, on financial. Okay, nakadepende to sa'yo, pile number 2. Itong person na to from the past. Yes, and nung nawala ka, nagkahiwalay kayo, hindi na alam nung person na to yung gagawin niya. Okay, so take what's resonate, guys. Kasi nga, sa'yo siya nakadepende. Maybe this person is walang trabaho. Okay, walang trabaho, walang income, walang pinagkakakitaan. Oo. And you're a very abundant person. Okay. If you are the female here naman, na watching, you are a Queen of Pentacles, okay? Very independent kind of a person. Pero itong person na to is nakaasa sa'yo. Same with the masculine. If you are the masculine and this is the feminine, nakaasa to sa yung person na to. Walang trabaho. Okay? Siguro, umaasa to sa bigay mo. It could be. Pile number 2. This person is struggling, okay, financially. This person feels, but meron ako nakikita na ang feeling itong person na to is ikaw yung parang, ano nga bang tawag din? investment niya. Oh. Ikaw yung, maybe this person, kasi 9 of Cups sa tingin niya sa'yo eh. Fulfillment. Maybe this person is mahirap lang. It can be ha. Uy. You're a very funny also. Pile number 2. Funny person ka din. Masayahin. Realistic also. And a very discerning kind of a person also. Logical mag-isip. Father figure if you are a masculine. And if this person is a feminine. Oh, this person still holding on you. Oh. Yeah. If this is a, some of you, pile number 2, if this is an emperor, okay, very controlling kind of a person. If this past person is an emperor, a very controlling person in a negative way, okay, masyadong mataas ang tingin sa sarili niya, hindi nagtatrabaho tamad, utos ng utos, palaasa, an emperor pero, alam mo yon, this person feels that he owns you. Feeling itong person na to, you are, kasi you are, a Queen of Pentacles if you are the feminine, okay. Yung financial security is nasa sayo. Ngayon, nung nagkahiwalay kayo, feeling nito parang, alam mo yon. Kasi nga feeling niya, ikaw yung parang investment niya. Meron akong nakuhang ganun. And maybe this person chooses someone else over you. Okay? It can be. And nagsisisi ngayon tong person na to. Vice versa yun guys ha. Take what's resonate. Nagsisisi ngayon tong person na to kasi nagkamali siya ng napili. Oo. Ginawa ka nitong option or choice. May nakuha akong ganun. Okay. 2 cards pa. Pile number 2. Maybe this person chooses someone else na feeling niya is, alam mo yon, feeling niya mas stable sa'yo. Okay? Kasi nga, maybe this person is mukhang pera. Meron ako nakikitang ganon, ha? Gold digger. It can be, ha? It can be user, okay? Maybe this person is a user. Okay? Choosing someone kung ano yung maipoprovide or maibibigay sa kanya, it can be. And this person feels na nagkamali siya kasi hindi naman pala, alam mo yun, kumbaga mali yung person na napili niya. Meron akong nakuhang ganon ha. Hindi niya alam na Queen of Pentacles ka. this person realizing that you are the Nine of Cups. Nakuha pa tayo ng 2 cards. Pile number 2. Oops. Thank you. If you are the feminine and you are the earth sign or the Queen of Pentacles, you are a very loyal kind of a person. And this person is na-realize niya yon na loyal ka na person. Responsible also, conservative kind of a person. Meron akong nakita na this past person is very practical. So, nagbabase nga siya sa financial. Maybe before, you are, hindi pa masyadong nagbo-bloom or nagbo-boom yung pinagkakaabalahan mo financially, trabaho, or anything. But right now, you are a Queen of Pentacles, okay? This person realizes na bakit hindi siya yung napili ko? Hindi siya yung pinili ko. Kasi nga, hindi niya nakita na Queen of Pentacles ka pala. This person wants to offer you. Okay. O, diba? 2 of Pentacles. This person juggle you. Okay. Ginawa kang choice nitong person na to. Okay. With other people. Oo. Ginawa kang choice nito. So, vice versa ha, guys. Juggling. Maybe this person juggle you over a person or other options. Okay, it can be totally na hindi naman ibig sabihin na ginaggle ka sa other is person agad. It could be some other things, okay? Oh my God, this person is sad right now and having a guilt or a remorse, regretting, okay, over your connection. Kasi hindi niya nakita na you are a Queen of Pentacles. Oo. This person maybe wants to be your friend. Okay. Wants to reunite with you. It can be. Hinawakan itong option. Meron akong nakita. Pile number 2. Hindi niya nakita na Queen of Pentacles ka. A very grounded and a very matured kind of a woman. Oo. Conservative also, not liberated. Generous also, mapagbigay and loyal. Yun ang mahalaga sa partner, yung loyal sa'yo. Yung hindi kayo pagpapalit kahit kanino. File number 2. Oo. Meron ako nakita dito na maybe kahit na nakagawa ng pagkakamali itong person na ito, pinapatawad mo pa rin. Yes, while the other person is malayong-malayo sa ugali mo. You're a very compassionate kind of a person, a very kind person. Meron ako nakita dito na some of you is mahinahon magsalita. Samantalang yung napili niya is ratatatatat. Very patient also. Okay, so, tingnan nga natin sa yung oracle card pile number 1. Ay, pile number 2. Sorry, pwede kayo manood ng pile number 1. Baka meron kayong messages doon. Martyr. Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Kahit nagkakamali itong person na to, tinatanggap mo pa din. Right? May martyr card dito. You're a very selfless kind of a person, pile number 2. Very loyal. Maybe this person is a Don Juan. Okay. Don Juan is a card of, alam mo yon, yung ginagamit yung itsura para makapang-akit or para makuha ko ano yung gusto. Maybe this person is a Don Juan. Maybe this person uses his charm sa'yo para makuha niyo kung ano yung gusto niya sa'yo. Either finances, so many things. Meron ako nakukuha. This person has a way with words also. This person also, it can be an Aries, a good-looking kind of a person, vice versa, ha? It can be of masculine or a feminine if you are the masculine, or it can be, this is a masculine if you are the feminine one. Okay, so take what's resonate, guys. Artist. Maybe this person is popular, okay? And this person uses you sa money, okay? Napabili sa'yo na nagpabili, ikaw ang pinagastos ng pinagastos dahil nga mahal na mahal mo tong person na to before, okay, kaya mo tanggapin kung ano yung ginagawa niya sa'yo. This person abuses you. Meron akong nakitang ganun, ha? This person maybe mistreats you, okay? Ginawa ka nitong option, oo. It could be an artist, ha? Pile number 1. Meron ako nakikita, baka popular tong person na to, or model, maganda yung, alam mo yon, yung may itsura. Talagang good looking. Aquarius. You could be an Aquarius or this is a Aquarius. Extrovert. Meron akong nakita na mahilig makipagsosyalan. Okay. Baka itong person na to is mayabang. It can be, ha? It can be. Mayabang. Extrovert. Mahilig makipagsosyalan. Materialistic. It can be. May nakita akong ganon. Yung parang sunod siya sa uso, sunod sa luho. Gusto niya kung ano yung mga bago ngayon. Meron din siya. Parang ganon. Pwedeng nagpabili to ng pabili sa'yo ng mga gamit. Or ng kung ano. Sa'yo nakaasa. Parang ganon. Hinuthutan ka. Parang ganyan. Soak in a bath. Sound healing. Oh. You could be a spiritual, ha? Pile number 2. Okay, you could be a spiritual, you could be a singer, you could be the artist if this is not an artist, the past lover or ex-friend. Okay. Siguro tong person na to, pa-relax-relax lang. Alam mo, pile number 2, Ba't hindi ka makalimutan itong person na to? Kasi ikaw lang yung nagbigay sa kanya ng unconditional love. Kaya mo siyang tanggapin kahit na harap-harapan na ginagamit ka, parang ganun. I don't think it's not totally negative, ha, pile number 2. Pero kasi mabait ka. Mapagbigay ka. Matiisin na kind of a person. Spiritual ka na person. Meron akong iba nakita sa inyo, conservative ka, mahinhin. Loyal din na person. Kumbaga, monogamous partner ka. Hindi nag-entertain ng iba. Commitment. This person feels that he still owns you. Nakikita ka niyang success. Maybe you're successful right now. Successful ka na ngayon. And alam nung person na yun. Kaya feeling niya, entitled siya kung ano yung meron ka. Meron akong nakikitang ganon, ha? Idea. You could be very artistic. Sabi ko nga, iba sa inyo pa, pwede ikaw ang artist. Ikaw yung creative. Ikaw yung spiritual. Okay. Very successful also. O, di ba? Right. Ceremony, mystery, magic. It could be you could be a spiritual person. You could be a tarot reader. You could be doing yoga or meditating. Okay. You could be a spiritual instructor, a healer. Okay. And this person is a narcissist. Okay. Hindi ko totally sinasabi na narcissistic pero may tendency siguro na ganon, ha? Narcissistic tendency. And you are the healer one, okay? The empath. Oo. Kasi this person feels that he owns you. Alam niya na successful ka na ngayon. Kaya nga nagsisisi to kasi nakikita niya na you are very abundant na. Hindi niya alam na magbo-bloom ka. Magbo-boom ka pala or magbo-bloom ka, pero ginawa ka nitong option, pile number 2. Hesitation. Don't hesitate, okay? Siguro, you are still confused about this person or maybe minahal mo talaga tong person na to. And hesitate ka kung may connect ka pa ba sa kanya or yung way ng kung talaga bang ginamit ka niya. Meron akong nakitang ganun eh. Kasi nga, you are always giving benefit of the doubt. Conflict. Oh, this person, meron akong nararamdaman na this is a narcissist, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, ha? Meron akong nararamdaman na narcissist to, guys. Naaway ka nito palagi, minamaliit. Hindi ito naniniwala sa'yo. Fail time to get out of a situation. A bell. An awakening. Okay? Maybe this reading is giving you a closure about this person. Okay? Kaya naginamit ka lang niya. Okay? Maybe kasi nga you always giving benefit of the doubt. Maybe this time, don't doubt yourself kasi this is the situation. Ginamit ka niya over material things. Okay? Ginawang choice. Apple. Temptation will test you. Okay? Maybe this person will test you again or the divine or si Lord is tinest ka lang, okay? Dito sa person na to. Para maging ikaw has a full potential mo as a person. Okay? This is a challenge lang sa'yo. Okay, an awakening. Yung iba sa inyo mabuti. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-get out dito sa situation na to, ha, you are in the process, this is the time to get out. Kasi ito yung answer na hinihintay mo, ha. Meron ako kasing narinig na ganun eh. May naghihintay ng answer. Tulip, great passion. Rose, romance in the air. Okay. Meron ako nakikita dito na still, niro-romanticize mo pa tong person na to. Kasi siguro, this is a, sabi ko nga eh, this is a Don Juan. Don Juan is a good talker. Okay, kapag lumabas ang Don Juan, ginagamit niya yung looks niya. Kumbaga, kasi karamihan na ng Don Juan cards, kapag lumalabas yan, ako based on my experience, it is based on a narcissistic cycle, okay, in relationship. It could be the other one is an empath and the other one is a narcissist. Tapos, this narcissist uses the other person lang. Alam niya yung full potential, kaya lagi niyang idina-down. Okay? Meron akong nakikitang ganun, guys. Alam niya yung full potential mo sa person, kaya siya rin yung humahatak sa'yo, kaya hindi mo pa nakukuha kung ano yung dapat na marating mo or alam mo, kung dapat nag-grow ka, hindi nangyayari yun kasi dahil dito sa person na to. Okay? You're a very passionate kind of a person. A very romantic. Okay? Mabait ka na person, guys. Mabait ka na person kasi lagi mo itong pinapatawad, tinatanggap pa din. You're a martyr here. Very conservative kind of a person also. So guys, file number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading. Okay. Pwede ka naman manood ng file number 1 kung hindi sa'yo nag-resonate yung reading natin. Okay. Kung nag-resonate man sa'yo and hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. Okay, para maabot na natin ang ating first 2,000 subscribers, okay, ngayong start ng 2024. Okay, so maraming salamat guys sa panonood and marami pa kayong aabangan sa channel natin. Okay, so maraming salamat ulit sa ating subscriber na nag-request ng reading and topic for today. Pwede naman kayong mag-request guys, okay? Just leave a comment and sisikapin natin na magawa yung request ninyo na topic, okay? So, maraming salamat sa panonood guys. Happy weekend sa inyo. Magandang umaga. Hindi ko napapatagalin kung ano pa yung sasabihin ko. Just keep on supporting this channel guys. Malaking tulong po yun sa akin and sa aking mga fur baby, lalo na kay Luna. Okay, so maraming salamat guys. I hope nag-resonate sa inyo to. Okay, so magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Bye!